Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the tie rod ends on this 2005 Ford Escape. If this video is helpful, you smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the algorithm, really helps out a lot. First thing we're going to do is crack our lug nuts loose and then jack up our vehicle, take the tire off. Now we're going to crack the nut right here. This is a jam nut, so we're going to crack that loose, and then we will come under here and take out this pin right there. There's a pin that goes through there. Pull it out with some pliers or something and take that nut off. All right, you can see here I've got this broke loose. You don't need to get this like all the way off. You just need to crack it loose so that you can spin this off. Now let's work on this nut down here. Also remember, when you get done doing this, you're definitely going to want to do an alignment of some kind on this thing, okay? To get this pin out, I usually take a set of vice grips and try to get this end as straight as I can, or sort of straight, and then pinch this end and just kind of twist and pull until I can get something like this, either this or a flat blade screwdriver or something in there. And then I'll just pound this in there and it'll pull it right out. If it ends up coming out in pieces, that's fine. Now we're gonna break this nut loose and take it off. All right, now we're gonna try just pounding up on this and see if we can get it to pop out. If it doesn't, I'm gonna use this. This is called a pickle fork. And you stick this in here and pound it in. And it's just wedge shaped, so it'll start wedging this up and pop it out. Now we're gonna screw our new one back on. I got these on Amazon. So we're gonna put our little grease zerk right in there and put some grease in it. And there's a new pin. Then we're gonna reassemble the same way we took it apart. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna have a link in the description below where you can get these on Amazon. As well as like the pickle fork if you want to try to get one of those. If this video has been helpful, could you just smash that thumbs up button for me? Leave a comment down below for the algorithm, and good luck and thanks for watching.